Welcome, here I've got OPPO A12 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change this to the pro by going to the left to this button so we get access to other modes of this camera. One of this is an expert mode, so let's tap on this. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So this is kind of pro mode at this device. Let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation option. We get access to this slider where we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right we can make our photo more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. Of course, at the center we have 0 and 0 parameters, so there's no problem to go back to the auto settings. The next one button here is the focus. Now we are on the autofocus, so the letters AF. When we use the slider it changes to MF, manual focus, and this is how to use this. And to go back to the autofocus we have to just simply tap on this A letter icon here from the right, and it goes back to the auto. The next one button here is the white balance, so we can control the temperature of our photo in Kelvin degrees. By using this slider and going to the left we can make it more blue, more cold, and by going to the right we can make it more warm, more orange, so this is kind of balance between the blue and the orange light. And of course there's no problem to go back to the auto white balance. We can do it by just simply tapping on this A letter icon here from the right again. And now let's go to the last one option here with the exposure. Here we have two sliders, as you can see. This one from the right is the slider with the shutter speed, so we can change the time of taking picture. We can make it much shorter, from 1 8/1000 of a second. This is really short time. This should be better to objects, for example in move, to frozen them. By going to the right we can make our time much longer, and at the end we have 30 seconds, so this is really long time of taking photo. This should be definitely better to objects that are stable. For now let's, for example, stay here, and let's move to this slider. Here we can control the ISO, so the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right to 1600, so this is really wide spectrum and really cool. And of course we can easily go back to the auto settings by tapping on this A letter button here. And now let me use these settings to take a picture. So let's pick the ISO here, the shutter speed maybe here, white balance more warm, the focusing let's stay on the auto, and a little bit darker here. To see my picture let's move to the left corner at the bottom, so we get quick access to the gallery. And this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.